Huawei announced its new AI chip at IFA 2018, and now finally the first two smartphones with the Kirin 980 are here. Besides the new chipset, Huawei has packed everything into its new flagship. Here's our first hands-on impression with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. On the front, at least at first glance, the surprises are limited. The front is all display. It's an HDR OLED panel rounded at the sides. 6.39 inches in size and has a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels. The notch is strikingly wide compared to the Mate 20. Here Huawei accommodates an IR module that, like Apple's Face ID, projects an invisible pattern onto the user's face, thus improving recognition. For additional security, Huawei has integrated the fingerprint sensor into the display of the Mate 20 Pro. It takes a moment to set it up, but recognition is faster for it, 20% faster than with the Mate RS according to Huawei. On the back, where the new triple camera is located, we already know these two cameras from the P20 Pro. The standard sensor with 40 megapixels as well as a telephoto lens with an optical image stabilizer is present. However, Huawei has now replaced the black and white sensor with an ultra-wide angle lens with 20 megapixels. It's also ideally suited for macro photos. The camera can also do a few new software tricks. Instead of transforming the background with a soft bokeh effect, it can now be decolored as with the new Pixel 3 camera. Thanks to the new Kirin 980, this even works with videos. The AI cinema mode offers a number of additional effects and films 21:9 videos. The selfie camera takes pictures with 24 megapixels. The Mate 20 Pro comes with Android 9 Pie and Huawei's user interface EMUI 9 over the top. With the new processor, the software absolutely flies. Apps start without delay and everything feels extremely fluid. New features worth mentioning here are a screen sharing function of the smartphone screen via Miracast and direct printing via compatible printers. Battery has a capacity of 4200 mAh and can be charged with up to 40 watts. In 30 minutes, the Mate 20 Pro should reach 70% capacity. Wireless charging works at a quite remarkable 15 watts. The integrated QI coil can even be used wirelessly to charge other smartphones. There are also dual speakers, one of them in the USB port, IP68 certification, LTE, and a new memory card format. The bottom line is that Huawei has put together a remarkably high-tech package that looks really classy in the various colours and patterns and feels just as high quality as anything else on the market right now. However, this comes at a price. With 128GB of storage and 6GB of RAM, the Mate 20 Pro costs a rather hefty €999 in Europe. This means this is going to be a $1,000 plus smartphone in the US. There's so much more to tell you about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro than we have time for in this video. For that, you'll just have to wait for the full review up on AndroidPIT.com very soon. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, all that YouTubey stuff. I've been David for AndroidPIT, thanks for watching.